Supposed to park her night, you know. Much turn the thing this way. Bus one truck a race. People, first one for the day again. Old school Ford. Old school Ford. Machine. Long time machine this one, you know. Listen to that naman. All in 14 in that day, you know. Man, see on next deal, yeah. Bad shot, man. Bad shocky. People see about 389 and come down here. Peter built. Supposed to park her night, you know. Supposed to park her in that day, you know. I don't think I ASX machine. Bus one truck a race. The bus lighter still, so you know so that win. No matter. Machine. Man, big up yourself. Machine. But A6. Cleanest Peterbilt that down here in Namibia, you know. Can probably say cleanest Peterbilt in Jamaica too. No joke. So that truck here, or a big truck, you see this one carry it too, you know. Or a big heavier truck than it see it carry. It's a machine here. Alright people. Now tell me, how much turn that thing this way. How much weight do you guys think that machine is carrying? Trunk still, you know. It's your deal, you know. Machine. But yeah. Listen to the cat, nah, man. I chat about cat, that me a chat about, you know. See next one, yeah. Next bad shot, yeah. Machine. Bad work of water truck. You know, one thing do a base shot man they roll up today, you know. Shot man, shot man, shot man. And big up yourself. Straight line of Cascadia. Cascadia. Machine. So one next shot man here in the people. It's pure shock man me I catch today, shock man. Trucking still here man, no matter.